Welcome to our French country high-end decor duped on a budget series. To recreate this French country amphora urn dupe, you will need a large thrifted ceramic vase or glass vessel, air-dry clay, strong industrial adhesive such as E6000 or hot glue, white or ivory chalk paint, baking soda or plaster of Paris for texture, light blue acrylic paint, an olive leaf vine stencil, a small sponge stippler, dark brown or antique wax, and a soft cloth or foam brush. Begin by rolling 2 equal thick ropes out of the air-dry clay and molding them into curved, classic urn-style handles. Press the ends flat against the contours of your vase to shape them properly, then set them aside to dry completely, according to the clay package instructions. Once fully cured, attach the clay handles securely to opposite sides of the upper neck of the vase, using your strong adhesive, and allow it to set completely. Prepare your textured paint base by mixing ivory chalk paint with a generous sprinkle of baking soda to create a thick, plaster-like consistency. Then brush this mixture all over the vase and clay handles in crisscross strokes to mimic old-aged terracotta, letting it dry thoroughly between 2 coats. Align your olive leaf vine stencil around the center circumference of the vessel. Secure it with painter's tape and lightly dab light blue acrylic paint through the stencil using a nearly dry sponge stippler to achieve a soft, faded motif. After the blue paint has fully dried, complete the authentic French vintage look by lightly brushing dark brown antique wax into the textured crevices, along the seams where the handles meet the body, and around the rim, gently buffing away any excess with a soft cloth to accentuate the rustic, time-worn patina. To create this French country-inspired decor set, gather a thrifted pedestal bowl or small pedestal dish, 2 simple wooden trays, 1 square and 1 rectangular, easily found at dollar stores or thrift shops, white or cream chalk paint, French blue acrylic paint or paint pens, gold metallic wax or gilding paint, fine grit sandpaper, matte Mod Podge, and printed French floral transfer designs or delicate toile tissue paper. Begin by wiping down all wooden and ceramic surfaces to remove any dust, then apply 2 coats of cream chalk paint to every piece, allowing full drying time between layers. Once the base coat is dry, lightly sand the edges and corners to create a soft, rustic French distressed finish. Next, carefully apply your French toile floral pattern to the center of the trays and the exterior bowl of the pedestal dish, using Mod Podge, smoothing out any air bubbles from the center outward, or hand paint the floral motifs using blue paint pens for a custom hand-drawn look. After the blue patterns have dried completely, accent the rims of the pedestal bowl, trays, and outer wooden frames with a light brush of French blue paint and subtle touches of gold metallic wax to mimic the gilded elegance of high-end boutique decor. Seal all pieces with a clear matte top coat for durability, and finalize the look by staging the pedestal bowl with folded neutral linen napkins, a small ceramic bird figure, and a bundle of dried lavender or white wildflowers. To create this French country urn lamp, gather a thrifted urn-shaped glass vase or ceramic urn base, a bottle lamp adapter kit, a dollar store lamp shade, pliable craft wire or decorative metal filigree ribbon, hot glue or multi-surface adhesive, light gray and off-white chalk paint, dark wax or antique glaze, sandpaper, and a hot glue gun. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the base and applying a textured base coat of off-white chalk paint, letting it dry completely before lightly dabbing light gray paint in random areas to simulate aged stoneware. Once the paint base is set, measure and shape your wire or decorative metal ribbon to form the arched, cage-like overlay around the middle section of the urn, securing the intersections with small dabs of hot glue or adhesive. Paint over the applied metal cage with off-white chalk paint and distress the edges with fine sandpaper. If you're loving our high-end home decor dupes on a budget, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a transformation. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, letting us know your favorite project so far and what high-end look you'd love to see us tackle next. To recreate this high-end French country mercury glass sconce, you will need a thrifted or dollar store wooden wall plaque or small cutting board, a curved metal plant hanger bracket, a small clear glass fishbowl vase or glass candle holder, a wooden spindle or candlestick base, a small roll of flexible aluminum craft wire, dark brown and bronze acrylic paint, white chalk paint, dark wax or black acrylic paint for distressing, Krylon-looking glass spray paint or spray mirror effect paint, a spray bottle filled with a 1-to-1 ratio of water and vinegar, a hot glue gun with heavy-duty glue sticks, and E6000 adhesive. Start by preparing the wooden backing. Paint the wooden plaque with a coat of white chalk paint. Let it dry completely, and then lightly sand the edges and surface to create a weathered, vintage French country patina, finishing with a light coat of dark wax to catch in the grooves. Next, alter the glass container by lightly misting the inside of the glass vase with your vinegar and water mix, immediately spraying a thin coat of looking glass spray paint over the wet droplets, and letting it dry for a few minutes before dabbing it gently with a paper towel to create that classic aged mercury glass texture. Repeating this process 2 to 3 times until you reach your desired opacity. For the hardware frame, attach your metal plant bracket to the wooden plaque using heavy-duty glue or screws, and use your flexible craft wire to bend simple floral accent shapes, painting all the metal elements and your wooden spindle base with dark brown and bronze acrylic paint to mimic aged iron. Finally, assemble the piece by using E6000 glue to secure the wooden spindle to the bottom of the metal bracket. Attach the mercury glass jar securely on top of the spindle. Weave your hand-bent wire floral accents around the sides of the glass, and allow all adhesives to cure for 24 hours before mounting your wall sconce and adding an LED tea light inside. To create this French vintage-style carved pillar candlestick holder, start by gathering your materials, which include a thrifted carved wooden pillar candlestick, off-white or cream chalk paint, metallic gold acrylic paint, light brown acrylic paint, or dark wax swatch glaze, paintbrushes, sandpaper, a damp cloth, a pillar candle, and optional jute twine for decoration. Begin by cleaning the wooden candlestick base thoroughly with a damp cloth to remove any dust and let it dry completely. Apply 1 to 2 coats of off-white chalk paint across the entire surface, ensuring all carved details are covered, and allow it to dry. Once dry, lightly sand the raised edges, carved leaf motifs, and base rim to allow the underlying texture to peek through for a distressed vintage look. Next, dry brush metallic gold acrylic paint onto the carved accents, grooves, and lip of the holder to mimic the gilded detailing on the original piece. Dilute a small amount of light brown paint with water, or use a dark glaze, and brush it into the deep crevices of the carving, quickly wiping off excess paint with a rag to create a subtle, aged patina effect. After the piece has fully dried, top the holder with an ivory pillar candle, wrapping an optional piece of jute twine around the neck if desired to finish off your antique dupe craft. To recreate this French country wall planter set, gather 3 small plastic or thin terracotta pots from the Dollar Tree, 1 roll of pliable aluminum craft wire or black wire, white chalk paint or a matte latex paint, gray or brown acrylic paint for aging, sandpaper, hot glue, and faux lavender or greenery stems. Begin by wiping the 3 pots clean to ensure proper paint adhesion. Apply a base layer of white chalk paint to the pots, allowing it to dry completely before lightly brushing small amounts of gray or brown acrylic paint onto the edges, rim, and sides to mimic distressed vintage terracotta. Once dry, use coarse sandpaper to lightly scratch and distress the painted surface, exposing hints of the pot underneath for an authentic rustic finish. Next, construct the wrought iron style wall cages by bending the craft wire into decorative scroll shapes that wrap securely around the base and body of each pot. Looping a larger curved piece extending upward from the back to serve as a decorative wall mount. Secure the wire frameworks to the pots using discrete dabs of hot glue on the back and bottom. Finally, arrange the faux lavender and greenery stems into the top of each planter, securing them inside with floral foam or paper filler if necessary, and mount the finished trio onto your wall using small nails or command hooks. A massive thank you to all of our loyal subscribers. Your support, comments, and creativity mean the world to us and keep this channel growing every day. If you're new here or haven't joined the family yet, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps us bring you more high-end decor dupes for less.